Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So right here in this video I'll be guiding you on how to claim free GLIM coins for free on this platform. So this is a crypto exchange wallet. It's just an exchange just like Binance and Trust Wallet, but they have a new coin. Their coin has been made available for claiming, so you can literally claim these coins as it is currently available here for you to be able to grab these offers. And also you can use this option also, which is to watch ads on this platform, and you get to claim free GLIM coins. And this platform is multi-purpose in nature. Why I said it's multi-purpose in nature is because you can carry out many functions here, and also you can store your coins in the wallet. So when you go to the wallet, so let me just click on wallet, and you can deposit any coins of your choice here. So you can deposit Litecoin or Tron or Bitcoin. You can store them here in your wallet when once you sign up and own an account on this platform. And another benefit of this particular exchange is that you can be gaining access to this free GLIM. So and we are expecting, according to their info in their group, which I'm going to show you where to follow and enter, you can get to start trading this coin or exchange it or sell it after you must have claimed this coin enough, and when it become listed you can have access to it. Now I will show you everything and how it works and how you can't afford to miss this opportunity. So what I share here on my channel are various opportunities that will give you access to make money online, and I believe this one is part of the big project that you can't be able to miss out. So now I've shown you wallet, how you can store your coins there. Now this is their P2P or trading offer that is actually under construction, so they will literally get to open this option very soon. So you can actually download this app from the App Store. So I'll drop the link in the description of this video, and you get to access and register. So when you register, you use my referral code so that you gain free GLIM coins for yourself. Now this is also crypto news. You can also learn about crypto info using this platform and also exchange coins here. So when I click on crypto exchange, you can see that I can swap any coins that I have here. So I can swap Bitcoin for Ethereum, or you can choose any coin of your choice. So when I click here, you see that list of coins have been made available here. I can literally swap for any of these coin. So it's quite good that you actually grab this offer. And how do you do this? You simply paste your address here, the one you want to swap, so the one you want to get. So you paste the address here, and then already you've deposited this coin. If you have any of this coin that's available here, so when you click here, you see that there is a drawdown, how you can be able to select any coin of your choice and then swap it for another. So that is another option that is available here. Now let me go back. So when I go back to the dashboard, you will see that this is GLIM claim and claim GLIM dollar. So when I click on this GLIM, so you can see that it will open up. I have already claimed 85 worth of GLIM, and we hope this project will be of great benefit for those that will grab it. Now you can literally join their Telegram here to get more info, and also subscribe to their news. So these are things you can actually do to be of benefit to you. Now to claim this, you can claim this coin every, you can click here. So you can click here to receive free GLIM every 4 hours. So you need to be active to be able to receive these coins. Now to watch ads here, you need to Why I'm not going to do it now is because I've already claimed. So I will show you how it is actually counting down. So when I click here, you see that there is a countdown here. I have to let this elapse, then I can be able to watch, click here and watch, claim another free glim for myself. So when I click down, you see that there are things I need to read out for you here. So when I read the first line, it's saying you are allowed to claim glim every 4 hours. Please keep it in mind. You can set reminder on your phone so that you can be able to accumulate enough glim for yourself. So the second instruction says never give your login details to anyone, never fall for any tricks. We will never request for your account details. So that is number 2 instruction here. So number 3 says you can also earn by watching rewarded videos. So these videos are ads that have been posted here. So as I was showing you where you can follow and watch the ads, which is here, down here, you can do that. Now also you can also earn by watching rewarded videos. So and when you tap on the video icon below, as I've already shown you here, you can literally watch the ads. So and the glim token has not been listed, so it's giving us this awareness that it has not been listed yet on any exchange. Now only claiming of token and other activities for now, so you have to bear this in mind so that you can't fall for anything. Now the last instruction says your accumulated token will be tradable. So you have to bear this one in mind also, that this coin that you are accumulating here will become tradable after the token is listed on exchanges. So it is better you grab this opportunity. So this platform was actually launched on the June of this month of on the June a few months ago of the year. So and I believe that it will keep being of benefit for those that will grab the opportunity. So this is actually what to do on this platform to earn free tokens for yourself. So to be able to get this offer, you need to come to your dashboard, and you can literally click here to claim. So the interface is quite user friendly, and it's something you can literally play around. So and these are the things to do to earn free coins on this exchange platform. So and you can do so many things. You can do content, you can follow context. So the context is running, and I believe that there are so much you can actually benefit using this platform on a long run. So and another thing here also, you can share your link to get others register. When you copy this and share your link, you get to dash your friend 30 glims by introducing him or her to this platform. And to do this, you need to copy your referral link here, and then you earn. I think you'll be earning, so you can literally come down and copy it right here below the screen here. So and when you do that, I think you receive 5 glims for yourself for each person that you introduce to this platform. So guys, grab this offer now, register with the link in the description of this video, and make sure you are active in every 4 hours and every 2 hours to check your wallet. You can come to this place, you can carry this you can use this platform for your transactions. So if you deposit money, you can also stake coins also. So you can stake coins as well here. So if you deposit money in your wallet, you can stake any coin and make profit from it. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel, and make sure you like and comment. So if you have any challenge, you can literally share with us there, so that I can be able to consider giving you guide on that. So thank you for watching guys. See you in my next video.